Today's the day we head to Travel Lite RV to get Serenity repaired. We head east on Highway 24, passing through many small towns along the way. We have 250 miles to cover on small rural highways and don't expect to get there before they close for the day. Our appointment is for 8 a.m. the next morning, and we are hoping to be on our way by early afternoon. We won't be filming the repair as we need to give them the space to do their work as efficiently as possible so that we can be on our way as quickly as possible. Highway 24 cuts straight across Illinois and Indiana and is the most direct path to our destination. We had no idea that so much corn was grown in Illinois. We cross under Interstate 57 and stop for gas at the Pilot Travel Center. Yoly goes into Denny's to grab a table, as we will also grab lunch while we're here. Sure is nice not having to deal with parking a travel trailer. We continue east and pass the Welcome to Illinois rest area on our left, which is the indication that we will soon be crossing the state line into Indiana. More Indiana corn. It's 8:21 p.m. when we finally pull into the Travel Lite RV facility, and we drive around back of the warranty repair building just to see if anyone is around. As suspected, there's nobody around other than the pair of guard geese that we had seen on a previous visit. We head over to a nice large paved area where we have lots of room and a level parking area. We set up for the night and fire up the little Honda for power and make a quick and easy bite to eat before settling into a movie and bedtime.
Cheese enchiladas. Amy's cheese enchiladas.
The next morning, we rise early and meet Ricardo, who begins work on Serenity immediately. The work is done, and we are back on the road by 1 p.m. We stop just north of Indianapolis, as it's rush hour, and we sit it out in a Target parking lot. I watch a Honda Odyssey cruise past us about 5 times before grabbing the camera to capture the oddity. Turns out he had a baby in a baby seat in the back, and he was just trying to get it to sleep, apparently. About 7:30, we venture out onto the 465 perimeter loop around Indianapolis and drive the 24 miles to the bottom of the loop before picking up the ramp exit for Interstate 65 towards Louisville. The guys at Travel Lite suggested that if we had time, we should visit a town to the south called Nashville. Apparently, Nashville, Indiana is a popular vacation spot for many locals, and we were promised an interesting visit. We finally make it to the long, sweeping overpass leading onto Interstate 65 south. Eventually, we get off at exit 68 and head west into the sunset on Highway 46 towards Nashville. It's just after 8:30, and we found what looks to be a campground on I-Overlander called Explore Brown County. The online description reads, Nature Retreat boasts zip line and ATV course, biking trails, paintball courses, campgrounds, and more. It's conveniently located about 8.5 miles from Nashville, so we can check it out first thing in the morning. Highway 46 and heading south on Valley Branch Road, we begin to wonder where the heck we are and what have we gotten ourselves into. This place is really back in the woods and frankly a bit creepy. Eventually, we find the place, and we pull in and follow the sign for the campground. The place is absolutely deserted, and there's no sign of life anywhere. We see no sign of anything resembling a campground, so we turn around and stop at what appears to be the office. Once again, there are no signs of life anywhere. So we head out and retrace the 13-mile journey back to the interstate. By the time we reach the Ohio River, it's after 10 p.m., so we decide to just head across the border and get through Louisville while traffic is at a minimum. Interstate 65 is actually a toll road as it crosses the river. Cameras take a photo of your license plate and you get a bill in the mail about 4 weeks later. We've made this crossing 5 times this year, 3 times with Serenity and twice without, and we've never been charged the same amount twice. Eventually, we work our way down to a Walmart just south of Louisville in a town called Shepardsville. It's been a long day, covering 377 miles since we left Travel Lite at 1 p.m.